Good morning, Supriya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Supriya, first of all, please tell me something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Ma'am, I am coming from Tarakeshwar, Hubli, and I am pursuing my BTech degree from Degnasa Institute of Technology in Electrical Engineering Department. And my hobbies are listening music, playing outdoor games like cricket and football, and sometimes video games also. And I want to be successful in all sphere of my life.
What are your strengths?
My strength is I am most listening person, and I also disciplined and self-motivated person.
Do you have any weakness?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your weakness?
I am little bit shy and I don't say no to anyone.
Why you want to do a job, Supriya?
I want to do job for myself, my better achievement, and for my better growth.
Are you a fresher or experienced?
I am a freshers, ma'am.
You are fresher. Okay. Do you have any salary expectation?
As per company norms, you will provide me. I don't have any salary expectation because I am a freshers. I don't know what is the salary for me.
Okay. Do you have any life goals?
Yes, ma'am. I in short term I want to do a job in IT sector, and my long term goal is to be a respectable position in this organization.
Okay. You are interested for IT sector, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the full form of IT?
Yes, ma'am. Information technology.
Okay. Tell me about your hobby.
My hobbies are listening music, playing outdoor games like cricket and football, and sometimes I love to play video games.
Okay. Who is your favorite football player?
Lionel Messi.
Okay. Okay. Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to see that I am in a respectable position in this organization.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
You know how to make it?
No, ma'am.
You don't know.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why should we hire you? Supriya?
Ma'am, as a freshers, I don't have any work experience, but I am a quick learner, and I can assure you, if you hire me, then I should work my heart for the growth of your organization.
Okay. Thank you, Supriya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good morning, ma'am.
What's your name?
This is Shaker Malik.
Okay, Shikha, tell me something about yourself, Shikha.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. So this is Shaker Malik, and I'm from Guwahati, and I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce in the year 2020 from Netaji Subhas University, and that is my highest qualification. And I'm working for the 6 month in Empower Financial Service Private Limited as a operational executive, and my role and responsibility are I was taken user outbound call, and I was verification user KYC documents. So that is my role and responsibility in Import Financial Service Private Limited. And my hobbies are listening to music and cooking. And my aim is I want to be a successful man in all sphere of my life. Thank you.
What are your strengths?
Ma'am, I'm honest and a hardworking person towards my career and life.
Okay, prove that you are hardworking.
Ma'am, give me a chance to to work in your company, and my role and responsibility. So then I will prove it, sure.
Okay. What are your weakness?
I think my weakness is I'm more telcatic person.
Sorry?
I'm more telcatic person. So that is my weakness.
Okay. Do you have any life goals?
Yeah, first of all, my short-term goal is to get a good job in required company, and my long-term goal is to be a respectable position in that organization.
Okay. You are experienced, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then why you left your job?
Actually, ma'am, first of all, I learned lot of things my previous company, and my job change are necessary because I'm not getting my salary on time, and I feel I want to do more. So that's why I resignation from my post.
Okay. Then what is your salary expectation now?
I don't have any expectation.
Okay. Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years?
To be a respectable position in this organization.
Okay, Shekhar, are you a leader or a follower?
I'm a team player.
Sorry?
Team player.
You are a team player. Okay, fine. Are you willing to travel or relocate?
Yeah, sure.
You don't have any problem, right?
No. I don't have any problem.
Okay. Tell me about your hobby.
Listening to music and cooking.
Cooking. What is your favorite food?
Fried rice and chili chicken.
Do you know how to make it?
Yeah.
Okay, you said that singing is also your hobby, right?
Yes.
Who is-
Singing, not singing, listening.
Listening music. Okay,
Yes.
then who is your favorite singer?
Mostly Arijit Singh songs.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
Blue man.
Why? Why you like blue?
I feel this color suits with me, so that's why I like.
This is the reason. Okay, Shrikant, thank you.
Thank you.